So for this video we are going to install the steering wheel wrap for your Model 3 steering wheel. You're going to need the wipe and squeegee as usual, and those are supplied in the pack. And then we're going to try and do this in a fairly moderate temperature, so 60 to 70 Fahrenheit, 16 to 21 Celsius. That just helps ensure that the vinyl isn't too tacky or too flexible or stretchy. It just makes the installation generally easier. And we'll give this a 2. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, we're inside the Model 3. Today we're going to install the steering wheel wrap for the steering wheel, obviously. So there's a few pieces inside. We have the wrap kit, so it kind of goes like that. We give you a spare piece as well, so just another left piece here just to help you out if you have an issue the first time around. Trusty yellow squeegee, of course, and then just a wipe to clean the area, and that's where we're going to start. So steering wheels tend to get quite grubby, so just be cautious to make sure you get all the dust and whatever else off the wheel before putting the vinyl on. These are just alcohol swabs, so they evaporate pretty quickly. And then, because we give you 2 of the left pieces, we're going to start with the left side. On camera this might be a little bit tricky to film, but we'll be a bit clearer over this side. So we're just going to peel it away. And the important thing is to align the arrows and the ball. So this is your alignment points. The arrow cutouts are there, and obviously the opening for the scroll wheel. So kind of get yourself where you can see everything getting lined up. You know, look at those 2 arrow openings, take your time. And it kind of tucks in underneath the middle of the steering wheel on the inside side. So you're kind of fighting against that a little bit as well, because the vinyl will be hitting that. Okay, so I'm good on. Okay, so you can see both arrows are coming through. Obviously we're aligned on the scroll wheel as well. And then we're going to grab the squeegee. And then, so just apply some gentle pressure around there just with your finger, just to kind of get a good anchor point on the vinyl. And then just kind of apply a little bit of pressure there. We're going to get this side done first. Like that, and then grab your squeegee just to kind of finish off going down to the bottom where it turns underneath. Just tuck it under there as well. Okay, so we have a good line on this side here, and then you kind of need to get at the top of the wheel a little bit. We're running the air in here at 70, which is actually a little bit warm. I'm going to turn it down a bit. Yeah, we want to be able to sort of maneuver the vinyl, kind of encourage it just to kind of follow the track of the plastic back here. You know, we're trying to apply a 2D piece of vinyl to a very 3D shape, so just kind of need to just help it along a little bit. It doesn't take much, and definitely don't, you know, stretch it too much. Certainly the texture finishes, this is the carbon fiber obviously, are a lot easier to do. The satin finishes will be a little bit more picky. And just grab the squeegee, just finish that up. Okay, so that's the left side done. As I say, we provide 2 of these, so if you have a hard time the first time around, you can take another go at it. Now we're going to come over here to the right side, do the same thing again. Just peel it off. Again, just kind of lean back and just get your arrows lined up, and then that'll make sure everything else is in the right spot. Okay, once you're happy, just kind of run a little circle around the scroll wheel. And again, just work down. And then come back in, just kind of look along this edge here. This is obviously exposed edge, so I want to make sure that's good. This side tucks under the wheel, so you've got a bit more flexibility there. And then just pull this top piece around, and grab your squeegee and just kind of work it. Try not to touch the end of it. Yeah, the vinyl obviously requires a certain amount of adhesion or adhesive to stick, so the more you touch it, the less you'll have on that piece, and since that's the narrowest piece, we want to try and avoid that as best we can. Okay, that's that piece done. Then it's just the middle piece, which is the easiest piece, I think. So to do all of this, I've had the steering wheel kind of pushed back, just so you've got a bit more room to work. But this piece is fairly easy, just don't have any alignment points. So what we're going to do is just move it up a little bit, as far as it'll go. So just kind of look at the bottom of the wheel. This curve here is what we're going to try and line up. And then when you're happy with the position, just gently, sort of just lightly touch it into place. And then we're going to kind of pull back and just look at the two sides here and here. You can see it kind of moving around, but it's still stuck as well. So once you're happy, just apply a bit of pressure down the middle, grab the squeegee again, just work it sort of up to the left and to the right, and then this top bit here just tucks under the wheel, just like that. And there you go, nice carbon fibre wrapped wheel.